Hello, good day everyone. I'm Tefs. Welcome back to this channel. This next repair is a Dell 22-inch LED monitor, model P2213T, not turning on and has no standby light indicator. I'll show you how to fix it. If you like electronics and want to learn how to repair TVs and other electronic gadgets, you came to the right channel. So make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe. You can also ring the notification bell to keep you updated. So let's get started. My customer said the monitor stopped working when a strong lightning strike happened. Let's see what component is damaged by the lightning and if we can still be able to fix it. I spotted an exploded IC. It's the PWM IC driver. And this resistor is burnt. Let's set the multimeter to continuity mode and test these rectifier diodes. All diode is good. Unbelievable. The fuse is not blown. And the power MOSFET is shorted. We don't know why the fuse is not blown. It may be the resistor gets open instead of the fuse, and the rectifier diodes have not been shorted, so the fuse is not blown. Let's desolder the MOSFET. The MOSFET is really shorted. I don't have this type of IC, we have no choice but to modify it using the STRW6053N. Let's remove the PWM IC. Let's prepare the pins of the STRW6053N. Let's solder wires to the pins, then connect them later. Let's add a thermal paste. The source is the first that we will be going to solder, which is pin 3. Next, the drain, which is pin 1. Solder it to the drain of the MOSFET.
Ha?
1,000 dapat.
This is the VCC supply. We will connect it to the VCC of the STRW6053N, which is pin 4. Now the feedback, which is pin 6 and connected to the optocouplers pin 4. This is the overcurrent protection resistor. We will replace it with 0.39 ohms 2 watts. Lastly, the ground and the BR, which are pins 5 and 7, will be connected to the ground on this side of the resistor. All connections are now soldered and connected. Let's remove this thermal resistor, which is connected series at the AC line. We will place my 220 ohms 20 watt resistor to avoid more damage if in case we have a wrong connection or have other faulty components. The multimeter is set to DC voltage. We have a voltage output now of 12.0 volts, 4.8 volts, and 18.6 volts. Seems the power supply is working now. I solder back the thermal resistor. And let's put back the power supply and see if it's working. Looks working now.
A few moments later.
The monitor is now working great. The power supply modification is successful. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. You can help this channel by giving a thumbs up and subscribing. You can also ring the notification bell to keep you updated. Once again, I'm Tefts. See you again next time. Bye for now.